Hello, everybody. So, Hula Bell and Mambo are at Mountain View right now, getting their space. They did very well on their pre-exams. Mambo was a little nervous. But they what Mountain View does is they do an exam to make sure they're healthy, no fever, nothing like that. And good job, Foxy. And then they give them pre-meds that just kind of relax them, and so they're feeling good, not worried about anything. So that's very nice. So when I left, they were just relaxing in their little cage together, and so we will keep you posted. Dr. Henderson is actually doing the surgery today. She's camera shy, so you guys probably will not meet her anytime soon, but she's equally wonderful. I'm just going to pick up. Hi, Mr. Foxy. Look. I need to clean your room. I need to clean your room. I've got another carrier in here so they can start getting that scented. Also got to get this room ready for a fast turnaround this weekend. Because I'm assuming I will be coming home from the kitten roundup with a new mom or babies. I'm assuming that's the case, but we won't know until the actual day. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. I think what we're going to do, make room for all these carriers. Amazing how fast these cans add up. Okay, lots of cleaning to do. Oops. Oh, Mr. Buggles is sleeping. Alright. I will do cleaning first. And then let's do some bed. Oh, bossy, bossy. So scampy. No, no, no. Look at this guy. Now he is floofier than the other cats, but this is Pudge. This right here, it's Pudge. He's a little bit pudgy. Yeah, I know, buddy. I know. Yes, you can try to nurse on him, Salsa, but he's not going to get you very far. You can try though, Mr. Salsa. Mr. Salsa is shameless. Here, I make it easy for you. Come on, buddy. Oh. All right, mommy. Oh my goodness. Free for all. Hi, Miss Kimmy. So Calypso is going tomorrow for her stay. All right, now put this down and do this one. I've got some. Oh, did we do that there or did we do that on this thing? I guess I've covered it all up, so maybe you can't really scratch on it. We have a rogue poo. Okay. Oh, goodness. Look at the puppy. Are you my daddy? You're so ferocious. Good job. Good job. No. She's hiding in her crate. That's good. Oh, Mr. Pantheroo. Mr. Pantheroo. Go on. So scampy. So Hula and Mambo will be coming back here. Today, after stays, and Calypso, everybody will be coming back after their stays, and then I will meet people at Laps. There are doctors at Laps, and they can do all the paperwork and stuff, and then they will go from there. So Hula and Mambo are going to be the first to go on Wednesday, I think. Calypso's going Friday. And then Lindy and Buggles are going Sunday morning. And then the Gingers are going the Gingers are going Sunday. We'll be going straight from Lindy and Buggles to Ginger. And then that's it.